Planning to move in Costa Mesa? One of the first things people usually ask is, how much will movers cost? The answer depends on your move size, distance, schedule, and the type of moving help you need. For a local move in Costa Mesa, movers usually consider how many rooms you have, how much furniture needs to be moved, and how long the job may take. A small apartment move will usually be simpler than moving a full home with heavy furniture, appliances, and lots of boxes. If you're moving from Costa Mesa to another city or state, distance becomes a bigger part of your estimate. Long-distance movers may also factor in shipment size, fuel, route planning, and delivery timing when preparing your moving quote. Packing services, storage, furniture disassembly, stairs, elevators, bulky items, and short notice scheduling can all affect your moving cost. These services can make your move easier, but it's best to mention them early so your estimate is more accurate. Before choosing a moving company, compare moving quotes. This helps you understand your options, plan your budget, and find professional movers that fit your timeline, home size, and moving needs. 3 Movers helps connect you with moving options for local moves, long-distance moves, apartment moves, office moves, full-service moving, and packing help. It's a simple way to start planning with more confidence and less confusion. So before you guess your Costa Mesa moving costs, take a few minutes to compare your options. Visit 3movers.com and start your free moving quote today. A smoother move starts with a clearer plan.